Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify health insurance plan details with Healthcare.gov, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify health insurance plan details with Healthcare.gov, start by navigating to the official website. Once you are on the home page, look for the login button, usually located in the upper right corner. Click on the login button. Enter your username and password if you already have an account. If you are a new user, you will need to create an account by clicking on the Create an Account link. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information and set up your account. Once logged in, you will be taken to your account dashboard. Here, locate the section that lists your current health insurance plans. Click on the plan you wish to verify. You will be directed to a page displaying detailed information about your selected plan. This includes coverage options, benefits, premiums, and out-of-pocket costs. To compare different plans, return to the dashboard and find the Find Health Coverage option. Select this to view available plans for your location based on your specific needs. Use the filters to narrow down your options according to coverage type or monthly premium. Review the summaries for each plan to find the most suitable option. Once you have chosen a plan, you can click on it for more detailed information. Look for details such as provider networks and drug coverage to ensure it fits your healthcare needs. If you have questions, check the FAQs section or the Help Center on Healthcare.gov. Additionally, you can contact the customer service for further assistance. After verifying the details, make sure to save or print the information for your records. Regularly checking your health plan details can help you stay informed about your coverage. Remember, understanding your health insurance is crucial for making the best healthcare choices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.